The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is March 17, 8th day of our novena and reflection on Saint Joseph. And here in Australia, it's the solemnity of Saint Patrick, an Irish missionary. And as we reflect on Saint Patrick and on Saint Joseph, I was reduced to think of their commonality. Both of them were uprooted, and both of them in some ways experienced rejection. St. Patrick was a slave and he was brought to Ireland. But being a slave didn't hinder him to go and continue his mission. And in fact, he became a great missionary in Europe. And in St. Joseph, we know how he was uprooted from his place going to Egypt when he was about to protect Jesus from the threat of Herod. Being uprooted didn't hinder them to give their best. Being uprooted, in fact, became an opportunity for them to grow, bear fruit, and give their best. So today, that is the first reminder for all of us. We all experience uprootedness. But whenever we are uprooted, we just have to remember that it is not the end of everything. Maybe it is another door opening for us or an opportunity knocking on us. Because if we truly are good and if we truly recognize the presence of God in us, in whatever situations we are to be replanted, we can still definitely grow as long as our roots will be deeply casted on our Lord Jesus Christ. Bearing much fruit will still be a possibility. Second, St. Joseph and St. Patrick both experienced rejections. Well, St. Patrick was a slave, and St. Joseph experienced also the same rejection. Imagine when St. Joseph found out that Mary was having a child. He felt not just rejection but betrayal. But again, St. Patrick and St. Joseph didn't give up. Rather, they considered it not as a rejection, but a redirection in our life, my dear friends. When we allow God to carry us wherever we will be led by the Spirit and by the grace of God, we will be surprised. It is not actually a rejection, but another opportunity, a redirection to the place where we truly belong and to the situation which will make our life even better. So the point here is St. Patrick and St. Joseph both teaching us that we have to be patient and we have to trust God's providence. God bless you.